Hey sis, if you're over 40 and you feel like your body is just holding on to weight, no matter what you eat or how much you work out, this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 powerful habits that can help you lose weight, reduce belly fat, we all want that, and start healing your body without counting calories or killing yourself at the gym. These are the same habits I use daily to reset my body gently, and I promise they work if you use them consistently. So let's get right into the video. The very first habit is starting your day off with warm lemon water or a quality mineral water. Now, I know this sounds simple, but this one habit can transform everything. Why? Because lemon water gently wakes up your liver, your detox organ. It supports digestion and it's gonna help flush toxins through your lymphatic system. And hydration is key for burning fat. Your body can't metabolize fat efficiently when you're dehydrated. So sis, instead of reaching for that coffee first thing in the morning, start it with water. Your body's gonna thank you for it. Number 2, the second habit is to eat fruit as your first meal. I know. Stay with me though. Yes, I did say fruit. I know diet culture told you fruit was too sugary, but from what I know, it's a lie. When you eat water-rich fruits like watermelon, papaya, and berries on an empty stomach, you give your body hydration, fiber, enzymes, and energy without clogging up your digestive system. Fruit's gonna help you flush your system, reduce your bloat, and energize your cells. Trust me, starting your day with fruit is a game changer, okay? Habit number 3, practice gentle intermittent fasting. Now, I'm not telling you to do a water fast like I did. It doesn't mean starving yourself. It means giving your body time to finish digesting before you put more food on top of it. Most days I fast for 12 to 14 hours overnight, and it helps regulate insulin, reduce inflammation, and trigger fat burning naturally. Now, fasting is gonna give your digestive system a break, and in that rest, your body can heal, okay? Habit number 4, we're gonna move our bodies before we check our phones, before checking your email, before Instagram, before TikTok. We're gonna give ourselves 5 to 10 minutes to stretch, rebound, or just go for a walk. This is gonna get your lymphatic system flowing, boost your mood, set the tone for the day. You're signaling to your body, I'm choosing me first today. This one habit helps release stress, reduces belly fat without doing a hard workout that helped me, it made me feel drained. So let's move on to habit number 5. The 5th habit, my favorite, is starting your day off with stillness and gratitude. Just 5 minutes of gratitude, journaling, deep breathing, resets your nervous system and reduces stress. And sis, when your stress hormones go down, your body feels safe enough to let go of stored fat, especially around the midsection. This practice also helps stop emotional eating before you start because sis, you're grounded, you're centered, and you're present. How's that sound? Now, if you're ready to take this to the next level, you're gonna pair these morning habits with healing foods, and your body will start releasing weight naturally. That's why I created my 3-in-1 Raw Reset Bundle. It's everything I use to cleanse, nourish, and reset my system from the inside out. Now, in this bundle, I provided a 7-day juice cleanse if you wanted to start with that, a raw meal plan with smoothies that flood your body with energy and life. The link is in the description box below. If you feel just moved to check that out, feel free to do that. Now listen, you don't have to diet. You don't have to suffer. We just have to learn to tune back into our bodies, support what it needs, and let it heal. These 5 habits are simple, but will you do them consistently? your body will shift, your energy will return, and the weight will begin to release. And really, you deserve to feel good again. This is your reminder that it's not too late. Let's heal, let's glow together. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you're ready to try these habits, or which one would you try. I'll be cheering you on every step of the way. Make sure that you share this video with a sis that needs it, and I will see you in the next video.